There's a nice little way to enhance your garden. What I have here is the solar powered fence lights. They're actually in the flower spot with the areca palm and the coffee flowers, just to give it a nice little light glowing look. I added the solar lights to the flower spot, so the lights will charge in the day and they will turn on at night. So this particular light that you're looking at right here is the warm white, and we also have the multiple color, so you can change it. If you want multiple color, you can also change it to multiple color. Let's do that. So this is what it looks like. This one I have on the so let me use this one to change it from warm white to multiple color. So this is what multiple color look like. So the multiple color will be changing. So it's on green now. Wow, that's blue. It's changed to green. So what it does is to give the flowers a pop. Yeah. And that one doesn't have the shade on. The other one, the shade is on. But I can put on the shade. It comes with a shade. Wow, look at that. And you can also turn it upward if you wish, whichever direction you want to put it, for it to pop more. Look at that. Wow. See, it's up to you. And if I turn it towards the shade, look at that. You get more lighting. So it's up to you how you want to turn it. So these are available. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.